Search and destroy. Defend the objectives. Charges set. Charges defused. Good job, Grunts. Get ready for the next round. Switching sides. Search and destroy. Good job, Grunts. Get ready for the next round. Switching sides. Search and destroy. Defend the objective.
So as you can see right here, I'm on GB, but for some reason I can't sign in, and these kids were saying they were gonna flood us because we beat them last time. You can see right there Skype's going off because all the packets being sent into my router. Still can't sign in, still going, and it's during the match. Just to prove it, it's 6:30 right now. The match was, I think, 6:30 or 6:15. Yeah, the match was for 6:15. So it's GunSlap and IBaZaaR IP flooding because they think they can beat us like this. But, you know, we have a PVR. So they're just being stupid and ruining the game like usual. There you go, right there. Signed up. Can't sign into PlayStation Network, and the error code is 80710B23. Just like you can see on my PVR too. Frickin' 10-minute video of me getting IP flood. This is wonderful. Hey Jake, are you there?
Yeah.
It's hard to hear you and understand you because, what's it called? The connection's so bad. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm still getting this error code. And now it is 6:31, still not letting me sign in. And there goes Skype. So Skype just went offline because they're just flooding the ever-living hell out of me. Because they think this is how they need to beat us, considering we beat them last time 2-0, and they tried doing it then too. Just last time when they did this, they took their loss because we ended up beating them in a 1v2. Same error code as you'll see on the PVR, 807110B23. But yeah, we're not continuing this match. We're not playing map 2 nor map 3 because they're IP flooding and we have solid proof of it.